So, it's April Fool's. And in my years of experience, I've learned that the most important thing about a good prank or joke is the timing. Now, I've always wanted to do the hook the car horn up to the brake light trick, but it's not that funny because they're in the driveway, they don't get far, and the joke's over pretty fast. But I have a pretty creative idea. So I threw together a plan to put a delay trigger in front of the actual horn. So this way, she's away from the house before the brake light actually starts triggering the horn. After setting it all up, I configured it to wait 240 seconds before actually letting the horn work. Watch what happens.
You good? Is that my car? Are you doing that? Oh.
What's that?
Well, now you gotta... Oh, when I...
What?
Seriously, babe. This is just embarrassing.
It's your prank. I didn't think I'd be here. It's a red light.
Stop, remember. Oh my goodness.
Babe.
This is hilarious.
Pulling into the gas station, for real? Oh no. It's just like...
Here, just
I'm like, I'm so sorry.